In jelly. In jelly. Okay guys, we have the Solana. I got her in the color Burgundy wine. She is a 13 by 6 HD full lace. This is from Sensational Cloud 9. What lace? That's the whole reason why I did my eyebrows the way I did today. Because I wanted it to kind of go with the hair and try something different. So if you guys want a tutorial on how I did my eyebrows, just let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, this is from Sensational Cloud 9. What lace? She is a 13 by 6. Well crafted, undetectable lace. It says she's pre-plucked, but I will probably go in and pluck her a little more depending on how she looks when I put her on. Perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline. Glueless with elastic band. No leave out necessary. So let's open her up and get right to it. I am trying a new method. Well, today I'm in the bathroom. Duh. Instead of at my vanity. Trying to see how well my suction stickies work on the back of my phone. So when I go places, like if I'm not at home or I don't have my tripod, I wanted to see how well it would hold my phone because it's heavy. But I took her out the plastic. This is what she looks like in the box. She does come with a stock card. She does come in 7 more colors. She comes in 613, well, Burgundy wine, which is the color I have, flamboyage caramel, flamboyage chocolate, flamboyage copper, flamboyage gold, and flamboyage wine. So yes, that is the stock card. This is what the stock card looks like. Of course, you all know that I'm going to go in and cut her out of the box. I do not like to pull the things off of the unit. This is what she looks like out of the box. So let's get this stuff cut off with that stock card. How have y'all been doing? Fall is here. So I was like, I want to try something different, like a different color for the change of the season. So that's why I decided to go with this Burgundy wine. Okay. Trying to take this little silver string out that holds the stock card. Okay, you all, she is out the box. Out of the box. Y'all remember that show? I'm showing my age. Okay. Anyways, she does come with 3 combs. The inside. 1, 2, and 3. She comes with the elastic band. Adjustable elastic band. So that you can wear her glueless. And she also comes with the adjustable strap in the back for the nape. But anywho, this is the hairline. She is ear to ear, 13 by 6. She does come with baby hairs. Okay. So I'm just gonna, and this is the color. This is her color. The color is very nice. Eyebrows match very nicely. Very, very nicely. Hold on, let me adjust y'all real quick. Okay, very nicely. I'm not sure how many inches she is, but you all will see once I get her on what we looking like. Let's see. Okay. I got her on very snug, as you can tell. As you can tell. So the color is very nice. She is, I will say, ooh, I don't like that hump, but that's from my hair. So I'm gonna have to go in and fix that. This color is giving, giving. I am gonna be going in, I'm trying to let y'all see those baby hairs. You can see my stocking cap, so I don't like that. So I will be going in probably and go put on a black stocking cap. And then I also am going to be trying out lace tint spray today. Y'all know I always use my makeup, but I was like, new season, we're gonna try some new things, down from the eyebrows all the way down to how we are going to lay this lace down. So what I'm going to go do is, and I'm also okay with the hairline. I don't think I need to go in anymore. As you can see, it's very, it's plucked very nicely. So I'm gonna go cut this lace off, cut the lace off, and change my wig cap, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've never used lace tinting spray before, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to do it light, far away. I'm going with the Red by Kiss lace tinting spray in medium dark brown. So it says peach scent. So flip your wig inside out, shake well before use, spray approximately 8 to 10 inches away from the lace. Spray until you achieve a desired. Wait 30 seconds for spray to fully set into the lace. Spray with y'all. Definitely not 8 to 10 inches away, but okay. That wasn't so bad, and it do smell good. So let's give that 30 seconds. I got it in the hair. Let's give that 30 seconds. Going in with my Eben spray in the red can. Okay. I try to put on 2 lace caps because I'm throwing underneath. Okay. Yeah. Honey, it's getting on my nerves. All right, but anyway. Got my blow dryer on the cool setting. I hate that I spread it in the hair, but it's okay. I mean, I didn't spray it too bad in the hair, but you know how everything can't be perfect the first time you try. So I'm hating this hump that I have in the top of my head because my hair underneath ain't flat. But look how gorgeous that is. Again, we're gonna have to take this wig cap. It's the wig cap. No, ma'am, gotta change. See that? Are you okay? trying to take me out, but it will not take me out. Gonna leave this band on for about 10 minutes. And jelly. And jelly. Jelly. Alright, y'all. Let's see how this melted. Ugh. See, I don't like that. Now we just gotta get this extra glue off my face, because that's what I don't do. And this is why I use hairspray. So I used Eben today because I was gonna be out, but my hairspray has never let me down. But this is another reason why I use hairspray. Who has time for that? Not me. Okay? Not me. I have my hot comb plugged up. We're gonna try to do the bussy, the bust down. I'm using my fingers to comb through, not a hairbrush. This hair is really soft, not gonna lie, not gonna hold y'all. The unit is really a good length. I'm 5'6", remember? And this going down to my belly button. But I'm just finger combing my curls so it can have a little much fuller look. It's not as full as I anticipated it to be, but that probably could happen if I was to brush her out. However, that's not my thing. So this is what it's gonna be. I'm going to turn around here in the back so you all can also see what the back looks like. This is her in the back. This is the shutting I got from finger combing her. This is the back. I know a lot of people were complaining about it being thin. You can see the tracks. It is thin. I could kind of feel them, but I'm not going to take away from this unit. She's nice. And the color is eating down. The color's eating down. And I matched my eyebrows perfectly with it. I'm getting a little tangle at the bottom, just from my fingers. So I get like a couple strands just from when I was finger combing. So now we're gonna go down the middle.
Mommy, I'm not sticky.
No. Tell your sister to leave you alone. Kids. Sorry about that, y'all. You know, you was little. If you had siblings, they ever told you that your parents found you in a trash can? Well, that's the equivalent to how my son feels when his sister tells him he stinks. He's stinky. And he'll be confused because he'll be like, I took a bath. I don't stink. And he loves her so much, he believes everything she say, even though he just got out the bathtub. If she say you stink, he breaks down over it. Okay? I would have been like, I started telling him, you gotta Jones her back. I said, you tell her it's her upper lip. He forgets the comebacks that I be telling him to get because, honey, he's distraught by whatever she say. Okay. I got my hair wax stick. And I'm about to just go in with it. Not too much. Not too much. You don't want too much product on this unit or on your units. Okay? I am going in with my hot comb. I'll put the lay that flat.
You're so pissy. You've been lying.
So, she's coming along. I'm trying to put a little oomph in the front with her. But this color is eating down, baby. She eating down, baby. Okay, y'all. And I got the eyebrows on. I did it, y'all. Okay, so this is about as good as I'm gonna get it. I'm not laying down any baby hairs, but I feel like I'm gonna let them just kind of fly. But yeah, let's bring a little bit down, just a little bit. This is the final look. This is Solona from Sensational Cloud 9. I got her off Amazon. I will link her down below. Going to be linking her down below. I think to make these more fluffy, more bouncy, I probably will put this unit on flexi rods. So I will just be looking out for that video coming up next. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. This is the look, guys. Let me know what y'all think. How do y'all feel about me putting the eyebrows in with it? I love it. This is her down the middle, so I'm gonna rock it today. Y'all know I'm not a middle part girly, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do this today with the outfit. So this is the look. Let me know what y'all think. Leave those comments down below. Again, this is Solona, Sensational, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Mwah.